Hello, and welcome to another update video about SUI. Yeah, the price has reacted now to the immediate support area, to the upper support area. Nice reversal candle here overnight. Actually, it happened late yesterday, actually. So we had a reaction there, and we could be on our way now higher. Obviously, as per the white count, let's say the wave 2 here has a chance. And we could be in wave 3 of 5 now, but I would want to see a break above the nearest resistance area to, let's say, believe that and to, confirm that further, because we would be dealing with a diagonal pattern. In this case, wave 3 to the upside would be unfolding now. That's wave 3 of 5, okay? And after wave 3 is done, that would all be a diagonal, okay? So wave 3 would be part of an ending diagonal. We should see a wave 4, and then we should also see a wave 5, and it would complete wave 5 of 5. Let me just put that onto the chart. We still would like to see, we still would like to see the price get to at least $2.47 in circle 3. Okay, so this here would be pretty much the scenario that I'm tracking at the moment, as long as we're holding $1.71. In this case, the larger degree fourth wave bottomed on the 3rd of October. We talked about that scenario in the last few days. Hit a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside. The wave 3 would be an ABC structure though, okay? So we would be dealing with an A, a B, and a C in white wave 3. And wave 3 could actually already reach 247, or get close to it. Then wave 4 and wave 5 would also be an ABC pattern, okay? So that's how we would track this scenario. That means if pullbacks remain corrective now from here and hold above yesterday's low, this is a reasonable interpretation. However, be mindful that the yellow scenario, in which this wave 4 that in the white count finished on the 3rd of October, this yellow count is also very, very likely. And I would observe the resistance area for possible reactions. Resistance is between $1.95 and $2.12. So as long as we stay below resistance, actually the yellow scenario, I think, is highly likely. I would say balanced probabilities. I've highlighted the white count as alternative. Doesn't mean it's necessarily not likely. It just means that I want more evidence for it, okay? But the levels are very clear. So as long as Fibonacci levels are being respected, the white count, can play out. I would just pay attention to the resistances. Ultimately, what the yellow count does, it gives us some parameters for the resistance levels. So $1.95 and $2.12, with additional levels at $2 and $2.08. And if we see at any point now an impulsive looking decline, it is likely wave C of 4. So in very simple terms, it means higher prices against the $1, what is that low? 75 low. As soon as that level breaks, the $1.48 level becomes key support. Yeah, or let's call it rather the $1.48 to $1.62 zone in a wider wave 2. From where wave 4, from where the price would have another chance then to start wave 5. In both cases, we'd like to see $2.47 or higher prices reached. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.